Get into the 2021 Honda CR-V. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.